Welcome to module 7, which is the improve phase module. So as you know that we were talking about the DMAIC methodology, and till now we have discussed define, measure, analyze, and now we are going to talk about the improve phase. So like the other phases in a define, measure, analyze, we are also trying to main questions answer in the improve phase, which means what need to be done to improve the process. So which mean in a measure as well as analyze phase, we were trying to identifying the root causes that may affect our response variable. So once we have identified the root causes, okay, which are basically affecting our response variable, now we are going to trying to identifying the main, you can say, parameters of those causes which we set in order to get the optimum response variable, as well as we were trying to remove the wastages that are occurring in our process. Okay, so in analyze improve phase, we are trying to identifying or trying to develop the solution of the problem, and if that solution is improving our process, well and good. If it is not, then we change the solution if it is necessary. Okay, so for that we have mainly we are going to talk about design of experiment as an improvement phase tool, okay, as well as we will discuss the waste elimination technique such as 5S, as well as we will discuss flow improvement techniques, with where we were talking about the push and pull system, TPM, okay, similarly Kanban systems and so on. Okay, so as you know that if we quickly revisit our DMAIC methodology, okay, so we have discussed till now define phase in which we were trying to answer what is important to our business. Okay, when we are saying what is important to our business, that means while doing this particular project, how much benefit we will get after completing the project in terms of financially as well as in terms of customer satisfaction, and how long would it take to complete the particular project. Whereas in a measure phase, we were trying to quantifying the current performance level of our process, which means what is the sigma level of our process. Okay. Similarly, we were trying to identifying the root causes of the problem. Whereas in analyze phase, we are trying to confirm the root causes of the problem. Okay, we are trying to confirming the root causes as well as we are trying to identifying further root causes that may create the problem. And in an improve phase, as we have discussed now, that is going to be basically done to improve the process. We are trying to develop the appropriate solution based on the root causes which we have identified in our analyze and improve phase. Okay, if that solution is effective, well and good. If it is not, we are trying to change the solution if it is necessary. And at the end, once we have done the improvement in a control phase, which is the next phase, we were trying to guarantee that the performance or the improvement which we have done, it should be stable over the time. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next video.